Hi, I'm Nick, co-founder and CTO at Propexo. This is video number 3 of a 3-part series where we're looking at how to think about write requests with Propexo. The first video, we looked at a successful request. The second video, we looked at a failed request. And in this video, we will look at a partial success. So the difference here, you can see we're doing basically the same thing. We're creating a resident. This is in Rent Manager. And then I have added a new piece of this, which is adding an attachment to a resident that we're creating. And what's going to happen here is that we will send this request through. Actually, I already did send this request through because it takes a little bit of time. And you can see we got a response back. We got a 200 OK, all the same type of data, and including the attachment that we sent through. And so we're going to take this job ID and we're going to check the write status, which I've already done here. And we can see that we are getting a partial success response back on this write status. Now, I expected this to fail because the IDs that we're using for this demo are not real. They're just sort of made up just so we can see what happens. And so if we parse this error, which comes directly from Rent Manager in this case, this is not a Propexo error, it's a Rent Manager error. Rent Manager is telling us that there is an ID mismatch. That's expected because, like I said, these are not real IDs that we're using. And so Rent Manager doesn't know about them and is a little confused. And so that is the error. But this is a great example for why it's good to pay attention to these write requests. So what happened here is many PMS APIs require that you split requests into different endpoints. And so what we've done, looking back here, is we have sent a create resident request and also combined the option for you to add an attachment to that resident. Well, Rent Manager doesn't support this in one action, so we have to send 2 requests to 2 different endpoints. The first request that we've seen previously worked just fine, which is to create a resident. So Jerry Seinfeld got created in Rent Manager, but what we can see here is that the attachment did not get created because of an ID mismatch. And so this will be important for you to be able to grok and figure out if you want to reattempt the attachment at a later time, or exactly how you want to handle this type of failure. But this simply denotes that at least one request succeeded and at least one request failed, and then presents you with the data that we have available in order for you to make a decision on how you'd like to proceed. Okay, hope this is helpful and look forward to helping you get your integrations up and running.